A lot of people judge their shoulder recovery by how motivated they feel. If their energy is high, they think things are going well. If their motivation drops, they start to worry that they're doing something wrong. I want to explain why that way of thinking often creates unnecessary stress, especially during recovery after 50. The mental side of recovery doesn't stay steady. Confidence, patience, and focus tend to rise and fall even when the physical healing is moving in the right direction. Many people are surprised by this. They expect recovery to feel linear, not just physically, but emotionally too. So when frustration shows up or when progress feels slower than expected, the first assumption is, I must be messing this up. In most cases, that's not what's happening. Recovery places long-term demands on your attention. You're thinking about your shoulder more than you want to. You're noticing sensations that you have never noticed before. That mental load adds up. A dip in motivation doesn't mean you're failing. It usually means you're human and your system is adjusting. This is especially important to understand because mental tension can make everything feel heavier. Pain feels louder, setbacks feel bigger than they really are, but the presence of doubt or frustration doesn't mean recovery is stalled. When people stop treating every emotional dip as a warning sign, something begins to shift. They become steadier. They stop second guessing every day. That steadiness supports recovery more than constant self monitoring does. If you want a deeper explanation of why shoulder recovery can feel mentally and emotionally slow, even when healing is happening, I recommend watching the video below in the link, Why Recovery Feels So Slow After Rotator Cuff Repair. And if you're navigating recovery after surgery, there's also a free post-op shoulder surgery checklist linked in the description to help you stay oriented without overthinking. This week isn't about pushing harder, it's about understanding the mental noise doesn't mean you're off track.